Right, my name's Fraser, and this is my Mercedes A11D. It was originally an airport van. It started its life in Heathrow Airport as a jet starter. It had a big engine in the back, and it did compressed air that turned the turbines to start the aeroplane engines. Since then, it's a 30-year-old van. It's done 5,000 miles for new. We've had it for 4 years, although it's never been on the road. It's never had an MOT, it's never had road tax. That was all done within the last 6-7 weeks. That was all done, so it's finally seen the road at 40 mile an hour is its maximum speed. So the paint job was done last year at an event called Vandalism Paint Jam, and it's run by a guy who's a graffiti artist, and his name is More Sketchy. So Stevie, More Sketchy, painted this side of the van. The event is 40 artists, 14 vans. So Stevie painted this side with Tank Girl, Polish Eagle, blah blah blah. He also did this building here. He's an absolute diamond of a guy, fantastic artist. And that was that. So the front and the rear were done by a guy called Hasty, who is a traditional sign writer, I think is what he classes himself as. Absolutely amazing. So the van's called Frida. It's the way the writing's been done in the front, it does say Frida. Frida is a Mexican artist from the Revolution days in Mexico, and she's my partner's favourite artist. This side here was done by a guy called Hungry Window. This was done in 1 day. It's quite fascinating. It's quite a job. The whole thing's amazing. So it was one of the ones. It's a rolling piece. All right, as I say, it's a rolling piece of art, and people need to see what's been done. So inside, it's kind of half built as a camper van. It's not finished. But we're getting there slowly but surely. So yeah, that's about the best. Is there anything else you would like to know?
No, anything on the back?
So the back was done again by Hasty, and it's written Viva La Vida, and Viva La Vida was another Frida Kahlo painting. It was the name of one of her paintings, and again it was done because my partner likes Frida Kahlo's artwork. So yeah, something different, isn't it? Cheers.